Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have solved problems related to the nth term of an AP, and today we are going to discuss the sum of n terms of an AP. Like this is AP, we have this is A plus D, A plus 2D plus dot A plus n minus 1 into D. So that is the AP which we have. Before going to some of these all terms, let's give examples. Like if we have AP, this is AP, there's this one. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. If you look this one AP, if you want to sum of these all terms of an AP, so we can directly sum of this one 3, 4, and 5. This is equal to, this is 15, right? But if the series is the AP is very long, then it is very difficult to sum of all the numbers. It very tedious, and this takes a long time to the sum of all terms. To avoid such things, we can calculate it by a rule. And to make a rule, first look this one, what happens in this AP. If I write this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, this is AP, that is the sum of the series. This is S, like this one, this is called sum. S is stand for the sum. And if you look this one, if you write it in reverse order, so what we get the same numbers in every AP. Like this is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is again the same thing, but I have written this is in reverse order. This both are the SSS. What we get, that is very good thing. This is all the terms are the same in AP. Look this one. If you sum this one, so we get this is 5 plus 1 6. 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 3 6, 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 1 6, and this is S plus 2. So now this one, the 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times. So 5 into 6 we have, this is 2S. So S is equal to 5 into 6 upon 2, so that is 15. So that is the rules. But if the terms are very high, very long, this is there are so many terms in the AP, then what we happens, then we will solve it like this one. Let this is S is equal to, this is A plus D, A plus 2D plus dot A plus n minus 1 into D. The another term, if you write it in the reverse order, what we get, this is A plus n minus 1 into D, A plus, right, this is n minus 2 into D plus A plus n minus 3 into D plus dot this is A, right? This is A, SS plus S, 2S. We get this is A plus 8, this is 2A plus, that is, it is 0D. This is the first, this is term, and this is the second term. If we add this one, that is, we have the second term, right? And that is the third term. This is third term, and that is the last term. This is the last term, right? This is S A, this is A plus, right, this one A plus A 2A, and 0 plus n minus 1 into D. This is n minus 1 into D. This is n minus 1 into D plus, again this one A plus D into A plus n minus 2 into D, A plus A 2A plus n minus 1 plus 1 n minus 1 into D, and plus dot. This is A plus A 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So there are n terms of this one. This is one term, this is one term, that is second term, and that is the third term. Sorry, this is the nth term. So how many terms are there? The nth term. So we multiply, this is n, this is 2 plus n minus 1 into D, and if you want to the sum of this one, the 2 has to be transformed on the right hand side. This is 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is 2n minus 1 into d. Then what we get, this is the rules of sum of the rules. The n, this is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Thank you, students. Thank you.